our channel. So in today's session we'll see one more concept in files in C programming. So today we'll see how to read the data from the file and how to display the data on the screen, right? So here we need to read the data from the file. So let it be, this is a file, okay? This is a file and with a file pointer F. And here let us assume the data is some welcome and we need to read the data from this file. So if you want to read this data in this file, so we have to open this in a read mode. So there is a function which reads the character from the file, that is called fgetc. So we can use this fgetc function to read the character from the file. So just read the character, ch is equal to, so fgetc, and from where we have to read the file, so that is from file pointer, because in the files concept everything will be done, that means either read or write operations will be done with respect to the file pointer itself. So we have to specify here the file pointer and we have to check, that means we have to repeat the same process, that means reading the characters, individual characters, until the file pointer reaches to end of file. So ch not equal to end of file. So unless the ch not equal to end of file, we have to repeat the same process. So just repeat the same process. So what we have to do, we have to print on the screen. So this is the desktop screen, right? So this is the desktop screen, right? So we need to read the data from this file and we have to print the same on the desktop. So this is the monitor. What we have to do, so we are reading a single character and we should write into the here, and we know that if you want to print the output on the screen, so we are having the output function called printf, right? So simply you can ch the same thing, so just print the same character. So this is a character, so we need to use a format specifier called %c and ch, right? And repeat the same process again, read the next character, so we have to we are reading from fgetc file, because right, so getc of fp and just repeat the same process. So by using this printf function we are going to print the data which is coming from the file. So in the first iteration W will be displayed here, in the second iteration E will be displayed, in the third iteration L, C, O, M, E. So whenever the file pointer reaches here, this is nothing but end of file. So automatically this statement will become false, automatically the loop will be terminated. So this is how we can read the data from the file and we can write the data into the desktop. So these are not only the functions to read the characters and write the characters. We can also have a different functions. So getS function we are having, a putS function we are having. So we can use any function, but the process is we are reading the data from the file and we are writing the data onto the monitor. So this is how we can do the process. Now I will show you the execution part of this thing. So how can we use this? How can we read the data from the file and how can we write the same onto the monitor? Right? Let's move on to the compiler.
Hello friends. So just now we have seen the theoretical part of how to read the content from a file and how to display the same content on the screen. And now I will show you the implementation part of this thing. And before going to the implementation part, let me introduce a YouTube channel called Programming Monk by Unacademy. So are you an early to mid-career tech professional and are looking to improve your programming skills? Definitely this is the one-step solution to learn the programming and to improve your future performance. In this case, so here this is a complete YouTube channel given by the Unacademy where you will get a state-of-art content around system design, back-end engineering and front-end engineering. And all of this content will be delivered to you by the industry experts who have been working for top firms like LinkedIn, Google, Microsoft, etc. etc. And they will discuss about on both sides of the interview table and they will help you stay ever prepared for product-based company interviews. And the content ranges from theoretical sessions, live problem solving, case studies, and also the interview tips and tricks. So I will share the link in the description section, and just go through it and get benefited from the N Academy. Right, so we'll see the implementation part. So I have taken one file called output. So in this output.txt I had some content. So here the question is how to read the content from this file and how to write the content on the screen, right? So first of all, we'll just open the compiler and we'll start writing the code. So first we'll include the header files. So include stdio.h, so which will give the standard input and output header file, and write down the main function. And we need to read the content from the file, so we need one file pointer, so file star fp, and we need to read the character from the file and we have to write it on the screen. So I will just declare one character, so ch, and then open the file. So fp is equal to f open the file, that is a file name output.txt. so output.txt, open this file in a read mode because we need to read the content from the file. And now just read the character, so ch is equal to, in order to read the content from the file, there is a function called fgetc of fp, so that the character will be read. And see, write this content on the screen, right? So while ch not equal to end of file, that means until this character move to the end of file, so we need to write it on the screen. So just use a printf statement, because if you want to display any output on the computer screen, so the output function is a printf, right? So if you want to write the content into another file, then you have to go with the fputc. But here our question is to write the content on the screen, so that's why we are using the printf. So printf %c and give the character. So just close and again read the character from the file. If you want to read the character from the file, you have to go with fgetc of efp. So here we have completed, and after that just close the file pointer and close the function. So I will give the input as file output.c. So I will execute this one. We got one error. What is this error? Statement missing. So here I have forget to give the semicolon. So I will compile and I will run. So automatically the content, I think the content was displayed on the screen. So let us check. See, hello subscribers, welcome to Files Concept in the C program. So hope you understood. So we are reading the content from the file and we are printing the content on the screen, right? So there is a one more way that we can read the content from one file and we can write the content into another file. These are different combinations. So in the previous session we have seen how to read the data from the keyboard and how to write the data onto the screen. So hope you enjoyed the session, and if you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.